Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Vueling Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Help and Contact button. And then click on the Help button. And as you can see, there's a frequently asked questions section where you can search for some information, for example, on refunds, ticket cancellations. So if you found the question that you're looking for, then just click on that. And here will be a very detailed description of the question. And if you found this useful, then you can also give a feedback as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.